Finally today, located in the heart of the Sandhills is the Gudmundsen Sandhills Laboratory. This facility is at the forefront of developing plant and animal systems that are economically and environmentally sustainable. And if you've never visited before, you won't have a better opportunity than this. On August 25th, GSL will host its 22nd annual open house. Due to COVID, last year's event was presented in a virtual format. This year, though, the in-person open house is back, but it will include a virtual component, giving those who can't attend another way to participate.
So, last year we went with a virtual event because of COVID. And so what it did, it allowed us to increase that outreach that we could have. And we had multiple other states, multiple other countries that joined in. And so the reason behind this year for the hybrid is because that capacity, that the outreach that we got last year with the multiple other states and countries, is to allow that segment to actually be a part of the open house and increase that range of outreach that we can provide. So for most part, outside of a few sections at the end of the day that we go over the general research updates at Gudmundsen, people that are joining us from a virtual side are not going to miss the big part of the open house with our invited and keynote speakers.
Presentations and other breakout sessions will be held in the Wagon Hammer Education Center. Guest speakers will cover a wide range of topics, sure to be beneficial for any livestock producer.
I think we're putting on a really good program for producers. You think about sustainability and what some things that have been thrown at our producers, whether or not it's increased drought, increased market volatility, it's the environmental side. And so we've got a really good program for producers to get a big insight and some really good keynote speakers from the sustainability side of, what does sustainability from a ranch scale look like, and how does producers themselves be able to preach their sustainability to our consumers and tell their own story of how they are really environmental friendly and produce a environmental safe product for consumers.
Once again, the event is August 25th from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Mountain Time. It's free to attend, but you must register for the event by August 18th to take advantage of the complimentary lunch. You can register online or by phone. That number is 308-696-6700. Everything you need to know is right there on the screen, and it's included on the Market Journal website too.